Good morning, everyone. Welcome to VLOGMAS Day 1.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree.
Hey guys, so it's currently Tuesday, December 1st. And do you want to know what happened when I woke up and I saw the window? Because there was a winter storm warning and the snow was so, it snowed about probably 10 inches, I think. I'll show you in a minute. And it's actually a day that I go to a different office. I'll be transferring to different office from today. And today there has to be a snow. So, great. I'm not ready for the snow, but I have no choice, do I? Okay. But I'm excited to start my advent calendar. Actually, I tried last year, but then I did not finish it. So for this time, I'm going to try my best to remember and film vlog, every day. So I'm really excited about it. I want to invest my time, and then be more productive every day to edit the vlog and stuff like that. Okay, let's start with the advent calendar. Here's my advent calendar tree. Okay, so let's open one. I guess not. Just gonna read it. Day 1. That was good. I like this phrase. His love is over around us. Can you feel it? His miracles are all around us. Can you see them? His love goes down deep into our hearts like roots. Can you even believe it? This looks kind of like a root. Focus. This ornament here. There. My first ornament. And it's not done yet, guys. Okay. You should take this. Let's see. It's day 1, and I see there's one here. Oh, it's a dog treat. How cute. Ta-da! It's so cute. Hey guys, so it's currently 5:24 in the morning. I woke up early. I just don't know how. Why. I woke up so early. I just woke up so early. So I definitely need coffee. So I'm going to make coffee. And I'm going to watch a video that's about VLOGMAS. so I was thinking that it might be helpful for making VLOGMAS video. The weather is so bad. I looked through the window again and it looked so bad. So fingers crossed that I could get to work safely. Look at this, guys. You can see how much snow we got. Oh dear. But guys, I am still going to work because we're adult and we don't get snow day, sadly. I mean, it might happen. So I got ready and I made my lunch. And I made my coffee, and I wrote down some of the stuff that I want to do for VLOGMAS. So I'm excited about that. And yeah, the weather. I'm keep saying the weather, but the snow. I'm just like so afraid that the road is gonna be so slippery. I don't know. I hope I can make it, but I'm going to leave early because, you know, that's what you do when it snows. You have to be prepared for yourself. So yeah. What a great to start December. Yes, winter is sometimes scary. Oh my goodness. This is better than earlier. They plow this street down. I'm currently on my lunch break and H&M is pretty close, so I'm just gonna look if they have gloves because I lost one glove, so I'm going to find out if they have a good one for me. If they do, I'll probably get one. So that's the plan. gonna go home and edit videos. Hey guys, so I am back home and I'm almost done with editing my vlog, and yeah, it was quite a day. Hopefully tomorrow the road will be better than today. It should be. But I feel really tired because I don't think I got much sleep. So I'll probably go to bed really soon. Yeah, so that was my December 1st, my first VLOGMAS this year. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you tomorrow. Good night, guys.
But oh, Christmas tree, more than any